Hey, this time we're going to be cutting Sargent. Let's duplicate and cut a Sargent key blank. So we start by clicking on Standard, and let's go over here to the S's so I can get to Sargent, Sargent, and this is what our key blank looks like. So let's click right here. We are working on a 6 cut, right? So according to this, we're using the S2 jaw side B. So we are on the S2 jaw, and let's switch it over to side B and put our keys inside. All right, so let's line this up here with the shoulder stop and get rid of the shoulder stop, and then we can click decode. So back to the tablet, we click decode and decode. All right, so if it decoded it correctly, it should be 576467. And come on, focus. Why is it not focusing? All right, anyways. All right, so we're ready to cut our key. Let's swap the keys again in the jaw. All right. We put in the uncut key blank and push it forward to the shoulder stop. All right, let's put our shield there. We like to put the shield on the wall so that we don't scratch it up. It's, it'll scratch, right? So click cut. And we're using the 2mm cutter like we do for almost everything. And we could increase the speed to make it go faster, but that would make it louder also. I don't know if anybody wants that. But I like the plunge cut for these commercial keys, so it looks more traditional. So let's shake off the shield and get the things off of there. Grab my brush and clean it off a little. Then we can take the key out and test it. Turns smoothly, works really well.